Okay, 2015 Honda Odyssey Touring. We're gonna do the oil change, oil and filter. Put on the emergency brake. Let's look. I gotta put a jack stand of some sort underneath there. Let's see. All right. Let's say like right there. All right, so we got one there. Okay. I'll leave this in. Hey, wait. Let's get the wheel off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, that's the wheel. You can see right there where the oil filter is. All right, next. First of all, let's take this out. Dipstick. Put that over here. Unscrew the fill, which is right down there. Then we'll get a ratchet wrench and take off the plug. It's right here. It's right there. See, it says oil plug. I don't know what this camera's seeing, but that's right back there. Okay. All right, not too bad. We'll let that drain out of there. Come on. That started it. Okay. Spin this. Oh, there it comes. Messy, 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 like always. What a mess. All right, so you can see it's draining out all over the place. Well, I wouldn't say it's draining into this, which is what I wanted. So here's a new one. And before I start cleaning the oil up, I'll take this off. What you do is you take, I'm going to reuse the old washer. I'm going to take some of this oil. You just go around the edge of it. Not with dirty oil. Just to lubricate, create a nice seal. See? So now I'm going to clean where it goes. the new one on. Spin that on, baby, spin. All right, so that's hand tight. Now I'm gonna get as much of the extra oil off as I can. All right, so we'll put this back in gently. I don't want to over torque it. All right, we tighten that up now. Let's clean it a little bit more. All right. Tire, snow tire. All right, look at this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to grab the torque wrench on this to a 95. The specs are in the manual, but let's say 95. Come on, fit. All right, now we can take out the jack. Not really like that, but all right. Now let's use the torque wrench, torque them to that 95 foot-pounds. One, 2, 3. The star pattern. 4. All right, 5. Take the bottom off. Top. This car gets OW20. 4.5 quarts when you change the filter. Hole right there.